Alright, what's going on? Today we are going to review the XinLeHong. I think that's how you pronounce it. I may have murdered that, don't judge me. But this is an RC car that I bought off eBay. I believe I got it for $80. It's made in China. It is a 1/10 scale 4x4. It has dual motor action. It is splash proof, not waterproof, so you can't go sinking it in any puddles or rivers or anything like that. But it does come stocked with metal. I just lost my train of thought, my bad. It is stocked with metal shock caps. There's 2 shocks in the rear, 1 in the front. 2.4 gigahertz radio. It's a 7.2 volt. I believe is what it's included. 1600 mAh. Nothing major, so we might look into getting something a little bit higher with a little bit more power to push through it. I'm pretty excited, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing and see what this thing is all about. Okay, so final thoughts on this truck right here. For the money, it's a great buy. There are no issues at all with it. It gets down, it's got bashing. My dogs right here, they have absolutely plastered this thing in the amount of time that I've actually driven it. Nothing has broken. It's fast enough to where they have to chase it. Does need a little bit of upgrading because it's not quite fast enough to outrun them. He's faster, she's a little bit slower. But all in all, guys, I would 100% say, $80, if you're looking for a good basher, this is a great buy right here. A few upgrades, and it could be an absolutely fantastic truck. So buy this thing if you're looking to get into the hobby. Like the video, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it.